Today, I'll teach you how to spend the next 5 years improving yourself without changing anything. You'll need 3 things: a problem you already understand, an endless supply of advice, and the discipline to avoid anything that might prove whether the advice works. Do this properly, and you can feel productive every night while your actual life remains beautifully untouched. There are 3 steps. The last one is where intelligent people get trapped. Step 1. Replace action with research. First, replace every uncomfortable action with research about that action. Don't apply for the job. Watch 11 videos about confidence. Create a folder called Career. A folder is basically employment if you believe in it hard enough. Don't set a boundary. Listen to a podcast about boundaries while agreeing to another favor you already resent. Don't exercise. Spend 90 minutes comparing workout plans. Your thumb will complete more repetitions than the rest of you. The trick is to remain close enough to the problem that you feel responsible, but never close enough to be rejected, embarrassed, tired, or measured. You are not avoiding your life. You are conducting research. Step 2. Keep starting over. Next, become addicted to beginnings. Buy a new notebook, download a new system, rearrange the old goals. Name the file Life Plan, Final, version 8. Starting feels clean. Continuing produces evidence, and evidence can be extremely rude. A new plan lets you keep the flattering belief that you would be exceptional under the right system. The old plan may reveal that the system was never the missing part. So reset on Monday, then next month, then on your birthday. If necessary, wait for January. Nothing repairs a neglected life like a different number on the calendar. The goal is not to become capable. The goal is to remain full of potential, because potential cannot disappoint you until you use it. Step 3. Learn the language of change. Finally, learn to describe change so well that nobody notices you are not doing it. Talk about discipline, boundaries, leverage, habits, identity, and purpose. Explain exactly why you procrastinate. Use a serious voice. Nod once at the end. Other people may assume you are progressing. More importantly, so will you. This is where self-awareness becomes a hiding place, when it makes you better at describing your behavior than interrupting it. After enough time, you become the smartest person in the same situation. You know what to do, but real action still feels unfamiliar because you rehearsed the explanation, not the discomfort. The danger is not that you learn nothing. It is that learning relieved just enough guilt to make delay feel responsible. You are not failing to learn. You are using learning to postpone being judged. The correction. Here is the correction the bad manual leaves out. Learning counts when it changes a decision, a behavior, or a result. Otherwise, it is entertainment wearing glasses. Research is useful, planning is useful, but both become counterfeit progress the moment the next physical action is already obvious. Use the one in, one out rule. For every piece of advice you consume, produce one visible piece of evidence before consuming another. Career problem? Send one application. Money problem? Cancel one unused charge or make one transfer. Health problem? Put on your shoes and walk for 20 minutes. Boundary problem? Send the honest message you have been rewriting in your head for 6 weeks. Define the action so clearly that a camera could tell whether it happened. Work on my confidence is fog. Make the call before 5 is evidence. The challenge and close. Open the last self-improvement video, book, or post you saved. Take one instruction from it. Complete one visible action within the next 24 hours. Then, and this part may upset the algorithm, do not consume another lesson until you finish. You do not need another breakthrough tonight. You need proof that one useful idea survived contact with your calendar. Which creates a small problem for this channel. If our first lesson worked, you should not watch the next video yet. Close the app, produce the evidence, then come back. The next bad instruction will still be here. Class dismissed. Ruin your life responsibly.